Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the plugin called Countdown Timer in OBS Studio. What this plugin does is just makes you able to add a countdown in OBS like this one, a countdown as you want. You can add multiple ones. So let's see how it works. Download the plugin and install it. After this, open your OBS Studio and let's add a new text. Okay, make it just like this, leave it like this. And now go to your docs and you will find countdown timers. You will find this one here. Make it larger. Okay. From this window, this dock here, you can enable it or disable it from here. Countdown timers. Go to this setting and select source text. Select this text that we want here. And you can add multiple ones. So let's start. Let's say, for example, just have this one here for now. Apply OK. Let's play this. Let's add this. As you can see, it now appears on the screen. Let's put it here. You can also control the text. For example, let's add some background. Increase it like this. Okay, now we have our text and it has some background. So let's start by typing, for example, 1 1 1 1. Okay, and start. Start the timer. As you can see right now, 85 seconds, 1 minute. Let's type anything here. 2 33 1 12 12. So this is like days, hour, minutes, seconds. Just put it like this and click start and it's going to start this countdown. Okay, you can have some stuff customizable, like for example when the timer ends you can send a message, for example, and you can make it change scene. For example, it's going to change the scene automatically once you stop to, let's say, scene 2. If you want it only to have seconds or minutes or hours, you can remove days if you want. Apply and OK. Let's stop this. You can make it also count up so it can increase instead of decreasing. Start on stream start if you want. Let's say, for example, you want everyone who enters the stream to know how long have you been streaming. Let's remove this 0 and let's make it 5 seconds. Let's make this only 5 seconds. Once the 5 seconds end, it's going to show a message and change to this scene. Okay, so let's remove the scene part so we can see it. Remove this one. Let's start from here and click start. Let's remove this count up. Okay, let's start again. You see, it says hello, what's it finished. So this is how to do it. So also you can change it from this one, days, hour, minutes. You can make it to a certain date. Let's change day 7. Okay, as you can see, it adds a countdown from this day to then, or you can make it up count if you want. If you want to add one more, let's add text. One more text 2. Okay, let's add one more. You click on add, select from here, select text number 2, apply. Okay, add anything, 5. Reset and start. You see, it's now working, a countdown. You can add as many as you want. So everyone, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.